Hi guys, and thank you very much for coming back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments and all that. It would be great if you subscribed if you haven't already. And yeah, anyway, I'll catch you later on at the end of the video. So for now, ciao. Morning, Stanley. Yeah.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
How are you guys?
It's a nice big smile.
Yes, yes. I'm always smiling.
I can't.
It is a big smile. Yes, is it alright?
I can't smile because they're not my teeth. I have to put them in every morning.
Is it alright if I ask your filming purposes on the estate today?
So I said it again, sir?
Is it alright if I ask filming purposes on the estate today?
Private.
Is it private?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's private.
Yeah. It's for personal use then, I'm guessing.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah, you approach fine, I don't mind telling you, just personal use. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. You guys auditors or?
What's that? What, financials? Well, it's banks, isn't it? So yeah, I might go in and audit their books in a minute.
Right, fair enough.
So make sure they're not spending their money correctly.
No, you guys, you're having great fun though. I'll let you guys
will
carry
do,
on.
will do,
Who does it?
Enjoy the fun
What I
that
want to know is who does your hair? They must take hours.
It does not hours, it takes about 2.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Nice little wash, little blow dry.
Oh, I can blow. Well, I used to. I'm too old now.
Oh, I didn't hear what you said.
I'm talking about blow dry.
The approach quite nice.
Oh, very nice. Nice to meet you. See you again. Helps having that big smile, you know, when he comes up and greets you. Who is? Who was going to escort you off the wall?
That's him trying to squeeze
Oh, that,
the wall.
well, that last one.
Huh?
Well, oh, off the wharf. Ah. I wish they were all as professional as you. I said I wish they were all as professional as you.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, you said you was going to march me off the wall. Right, this one will kick off.
Yeah. That could be a woman. It is a woman, huh? Oh yeah, it's about to kick off.
JP Morgan's. I've done JP Morgan before in.
What's that? Just one building split into two then?
This one. Yeah, so you got two different businesses. So this is JP Morgan here,
Yeah.
and that's Morgan Stanley over there.
What? Nothing to do with each other.
No, two different.
Not related.
No, two different banks.
Oh, okay. Hello.
I'm not in there. I'm not in there. I'm out here.
No, it's not just video or
What, like,
photography.
what, like that?
Just not doing it inside, please.
I'm not inside.
I'm saying just don't make a video from the
What?
inside.
I'm not making a video from the inside.
So, but you are making the video from there.
I'm not making a video here.
I'm saying you are making video. Which places you are making video?
Here.
Yourself?
Here.
Yourself?
I'm making a video here.
I'm just saying don't make video of this place.
Why not?
They are not allowing it. That's why
They're not
it's
allowing
our
it.
duty to just let you know.
What makes you think it's not allowed? Is it their policy?
Yeah, that's their
Yeah,
policy.
so-
Because of the security reason, they are saying not to take photos and not to take the videos.
Okay, so that applies.
That's why I just let you know. Please
Okay,
don't do
okay.
this.
So that applies for people inside the building and for people that work for the company that you can't film. Is that correct? Because it's a company policy,
No,
isn't
I
it?
say that because of the
Yeah, but their policy, the bank's policy, doesn't have control over me. Because they can't tax me. I think he told her to go away. I said, I wish he did.
This is not going to end well, I just know it.
How you doing, Chief? All right? Your window cleaner must start on a Monday morning and finish on Friday night.
We are being followed, so Plan B will have to come into effect shortly.
One thing is good to record you.
Yeah.
You ready to record me?
Can't hear you.
You don't need to record me. You are
I'm not
recording
recording you, I'm
me.
recording the time.
Yeah,
Where's my mate gone? Has he got a tour inside? Have they given him a tour inside? Where's my mate?
Yeah, yeah.
He's gone in. That's the best thing for them to do.
I understand you guys. Before, I don't understand, but now I understand you guys.
Yeah, it's the best way of getting rid of us. Invite us in, when we come out we go. It's unusual for him to go in, he doesn't normally go in a place.
Remember last time I saw you?
Yeah, when?
Where? The other branch.
When?
TV.
What, last time you saw me?
Yeah.
When do you think that was?
No, we have another site.
Oh, right, what, CCTV?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did you ever see the chap who did the shadow boxing just down here? You remember him?
Yeah.
Little short fella, bald. That was the last time I was here, but nearly a year ago.
Yeah.
And two of the guys that I was with, they were shadow boxing with him as well, but he got the hump. Yeah, he got upset. He wanted to box himself, he didn't want any company. Well, hope he brings me a cup of tea out.
You would.
I thought you'd been in.
In where?
In there.
No, I will never go in.
Well, that's what I said to him. But I said, cheers, see ya, bye bye. Nice to see you again. I asked that bloke, he said, you. He said you'd been in for a tour.
Huh?
He said you'd been in for a tour.
Did he?
Yeah. I said, well, I hope he brings me a cup of tea out.
No chance of that.
No. I thought to myself, I'm surprised they let you in. I mean, you know, it's high security.
I won't go in anyway.
That's what I said to him. I said, I'm surprised he's gone in. He doesn't normally. Well, there's a few people outside, weren't there, watching us.
Oh, yeah.
MI5, MI6, or
Oh, no.
you don't know though, do you?
They're just workers.
Or just security, yeah.
Security guard is just going to follow us all around the estate. There's been the signs with.
Yeah, he didn't say goodbye then.
Got to be careful. I'll pull the harassment card over.
Be a shame because he's been nice, but I suppose we might put him in a bit of a dilemma. It's a mummy, right? I think it's a mummy. Yeah, there's one of the security guards playing close.
If he keeps on following me,
I doubt if he'll go off his land there. I'll be surprised.
I'll put him on.
I'll be surprised if he leaves.
I'll take what you harass me now. You follow me around everywhere. So what's this one then?
Oh no, but they always have these cafes, don't they? Oh.
Yeah, but you've asked me 2 questions then. So let's go back to the first question.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. You said, "How can I help you?"
Yes.
And I said,
So,
"What,
yeah, the
what
help,
help are you offering?"
The help I want to offer
Yeah.
is to know if there's a permit for you to do it.
Permit.
Oh.
You enough? I've got a permit.
Yeah.
I've got a permit. Yeah. I've just. So yes, to take that.
There you go.
Just what I need. I need both hands to get the permit out. So yeah, I've got the permit here. It's, permit the frog. Permit the frog.
Yeah.
So that's my permit.
Excuse
He wanted to see my
320.
permit, so I got permit the frog. So
Send it.
Jeff, you keep following us. It can be construed as harassment, Mr. Security Guard.
I talked to my colleague.
Oh yeah? Oh right, okay. But it's the 2nd time now, 3rd time's harassment.
I'm surprised. He's obviously just gone to tell them what we're doing, but I mean, they know by now. Again.
He should leave us alone now, that guy.
Yeah, I think he's.
He was actually a really nice guy, this one. We probably would end up having a really nice conversation with him.
Yeah.
So, alright, okay, let's crack on.
Yep.
So.
The Peligon. What is a Peligon? Is that a pelican? Yeah. Yeah, it's gone in there. It's gone in there to warn them.
Yeah, so what we'll do that later.
Yeah, I'm surprised actually. You weren't.
Huh?
You weren't. You were expecting it. I was surprised
Oh no,
that he came off his land and
So it's what okay guys, I'll pick this one up in a minute. We've got one of the Canary Wharf management security guards is going around warning businesses. So rather than the route we were going to take, we're going to take a different route and head to another part of the wharf. I think it's what we do. We'll actually leave the wharf.
I actually feel sorry for him because he's been told what to do, and he was a nice bloke at the beginning. Now he's been told what to do. I don't suppose he wanted to do it, but he's got to do it, hasn't he?
Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll cut through.
Hi again, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, maybe you could subscribe for me. That'd be really great. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one. But for now, ciao.